Hey everyone, today we'll show you how to upgrade the storage and memory in the MSI VenturePro series. Let's start by preparing the following tools to make the process easier and safer during the upgrade. A plastic prying tool, a Phillips No. 1 head screwdriver, and an anti-static wrist strap or gloves. Before purchasing your SSD and memory, ensure they meet the correct specifications for compatibility. The VenturePro supports up to 96 GB of DDR5 5600 memory across 2 slots, has one M2 NVMe PCIe for SSD slot. Before you begin pulling everything apart, please make sure that your laptop is turned off and the adapter connector to the laptop is removed. Long press the power button over 25 seconds to cut off battery power. The battery power will be successfully cut off and it will not turn on unless you connect the adapter back. Remember to take note of all of the screws of which hole is removed from, as they slightly different. We suggest you grab a piece of paper and put it next to the laptop. When you remove each screw, just place it on the corresponding spot on the paper. That way you can keep track of where it goes. Using the screwdriver, unscrew the back cover of the laptop. The laptop contains a total of 12 screws. After removing all the screws, use the plastic prying tool to lift left and right sides of the hinge cover. Then lift the bottom door from the upper side to detach the hook. Then gently detach the hook along the edges from right to left to remove the back cover. Disconnect the battery cable. To upgrade the SSD, follow the steps. Remove the screw. Remove the SSD. Insert the new SSD into the SSD slot with a miter angle. Then screw the screw back. If you want to upgrade the RAM, here is how you do it. Remove the memory shielding case. Press the slot hooks with both hands, then remove the memory. Insert the new memory into the memory slot with a miter angle. Reassemble the memory shielding case. Reverse the disassembly process to reattach the motherboard and back cover, ensuring all screws and cables are returned to their original positions. Let's boot up the system to ensure that the upgrades were successful. Connect your laptop to AC power. Press the power button and repeatedly hit the delete key to enter BIOS. Select storage information to check details on your newly installed SSD. Return to the main page and select system information to view details on your newly installed memory. That's how you upgrade storage and memory on MSI VenturePro. It may seem like a lot of steps, but with patience, you'll nail it.